Wake up, lazy human.
What? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, did it just...
You knocked the plant over again. I told you, stay off the shelf. Did you just laugh? Nah, no way. No way.
Yeah, no, I told her I'd have it in by Friday. It's not a big...
Keep lying!
Hey! Are you serious right now?
Lying.
Go away.
Excuse me?
Talking to me? Unbelievable.